What's up, guys? We're gonna be attempting to turn this piece of lawnmower blade into a small shovel trowel, basically something I can use in my garden. So let's try it. All right, we're gonna put this bad boy in and start to shape her out a little bit. It's got this fatter bit here at the end. I'm gonna try and draw that out, or stem or handle, whatever you call it. I don't know. Don't really know what I'm doing here. We're just gonna see what happens. Alright, so we're just gonna have to go with, I think we're gonna go with the good old-fashioned hot cut. This old, I don't know what it was, some type of tool was used for horseshoes. Great-great-grandpa was using. But so good old big C-shaped tool, and I had no use for it and flattened it out and used it something I could, so just gonna hot cut it on this, see what happens. Much more manageable shape. Alright, now that we've got our piece cut into a much more manageable shape. It's a little awkward there. It's a little awkward up here before. It's gonna take a lot of maneuvering tricks I don't really have it right now on my tool belt to turn that into a shovel head. So as you can see, what I'm kind of going for here, more of like a spear point. It'll move dirt. And we still gotta work some more, so it'll turn out alright. To remove that I did not get with my angle grinder. And boom. That's gonna be our shovel head. Alright. Had to widen this mouth out a little bit, but alright. I'm gonna use string to help hold this on. You need to make some notches up here to catch. Alright, we're gonna use an old shoelace for lashings. Put that back in there. Alright, we're out here in the yard. We got our little spear, shovel, trowel we made. Let's try it out. Oh yeah, they'll do just fine. Until next time.